Sa unang tingin, ang bahay sa 25 Cromwell Street, Gloucester, England ay larawan ng tahimik at masayang pamumuhay. Nakatira ang mag-asawang Fred at Rose West at kanilang mga anak. Pero bago ng lahat, pakilalo ko sa inyo si Luigi. Guys, si Luigi.
Nagsimula maglabasan ng chismis at dito nagkaamoy ang mga pulis na ang home sweet home pala nila Fred at Rose ay isa palang House of Horrors.
Noon, nagsimula nung mawala yung mga anak nila. Pero speaking of House of Horrors, parang pansin ko yata yung papasok nating kongreso ngayon. Mukhang magiging pinakamalaking House of Horrors sa lahat. Saan ang pangalan niya, sir? Jesse. Hindi ba Brownie? Brownie. Kasi kulay brown. Summer 1969, naghihintay si Rose ng sasakyan sa bus stop nang una niyang masilayan si Fred West. 16 taong gulang si Rose noon, habang 20 taong gulang naman si Fred. Sinundan ni Fred si Rose sa cafe kung saan ito nagtatrabaho bilang waitress. Taglay lang ang lakas ng loob. Nakagawa ng paraan si Fred para makilala ang babae na pupusuan. Hindi nagtagal, naging magkasintahan ng dalawa at pinagbuntis ni Rose ang panganay nilang anak na si Heather. Fast forward ng 20 taon, 7 taon nang nawawala si Heather. At dahil na rin sa iba pang mga aligasyon, ipinadala si Detective Superintendent John Bennett sa
this being mentioned mostly by Fred and Rose West to their children when they'd done something wrong, hadn't eaten their food or refused to go to bed or be naughty in some way.
Nang galugarin ng mga polis ang patio sa hardin.
Handed officer down there and he handed up some bits. Clue as to who the person.
With estudyanteng sulusi o pareho para alamin ang sagot.
Murder, other sorts of
murdering the women, including his 16-year-old daughter Heather, who disappeared in 1987.
I listened to the news and I just went straight back to 1970.
Murder, other sorts of killing.
A man will appear in court this morning following the discovery of 3 bodies in his back garden. 52-year-old Fred West from Gloucester is accused of murdering the women, including his 16-year-old daughter Heather, who disappeared in 1987.
I listened to the news and I just went straight back to 1972, and I was there again, and I remembered those words, you know, bury me under the paving stone.